post bankruptcy. I think it was. I'm not sure what stage it was at, but they still trade on NASDAQ as like penny stocks essentially. And this is not your Wolf of Wall Street calling people up to buying penny stocks. Absolutely not. This is proprietarily trading them, just because the volumes are into hundreds of, like, I think there's probably billions of dollars being traded in these stocks alone. And there's very profitable scalping strategies to be deployed in that type of stock.
Is really just buy and hold. I think if you look at, there's some great charts from, if you Google WOOBULL, so WOOBULL, risk-adjusted returns, BTC, you'll see that Bitcoin, if you hold it for 4 years, actually outperforms every other asset class on a risk-adjusted basis. So it's not absolute returns, it's risk-adjusted returns. So what that means is you have to hold for a long time. Bitcoin over 1 year, you can lose 90% of your money. But if you hold for 4 years, it tends to outperform everything. And so the question of risk-adjusted returns is, for every additional piece of risk you take, are you getting compensated for that? And so if you look at that chart, you'll see that for Bitcoin it is. So that's a 4-year holding period. And I referenced buying BTC at 19K in 2017 and having to wait 3 years to break even, and even sold some at a loss. So buying and holding, I think, on major assets that have a use case that you understand is a good strategy. The other thing I wanted to say about Alpha Impact is that we actually allow you should sign up for our beta if you haven't already. I'll type the link in here in a moment, is that we actually allow you to sort by risk-adjusted returns. So you might not want a trader who's going to make 1,000,000%, but also lose 90%. So we allow you to find those traders who are maybe not so high return, but also not so high risk. So I wanted to mention
more consistency. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.